here's one you're not going to see every day. 1927 Buick Model 2754. Be a deluxe sports roadster. Take a look at the front chrome and bright work on this. You can see this blinker system here has been added to it, obviously. Underneath the hood, inline 6 274 cubic inch engine that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. As you can see, riding on steel spoked wheels now. Wide whites. This also is a rumble seat to car, which you can check out in the still pictures. We have over 100 pictures of this car online, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, that rumble seat, up and down. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This is all steel. Paint does show its age a little, or patina, a few spots where you can see it's been touched up. I'll show you the deck lid. Shows its age a little bit back there. Check out the running boards. Stepping pad. Interior is black vinyl. There's also a black cloth top, and you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures too. Of course, it's manual, folds up and down easily. FYI, a 6-volt fuel pump has been added to this car. Your steps for getting into the rumble seat. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's where you got a little of a patina, or like I said, showing a little age in that rear deck lid. And of course, all you have to do is push on the bottom down here, lift towards the front. It's going to open up with a rumble seat in there. One other thing I want to show you also is check this out. Had a storage compartment, so there's almost a little bit of trunk space in this, in front of that rumble seat. And what we have here is kind of a vintage set of golf clubs that will go with that. Here's your wheel wrench for removing the wheels. Of course, that would have been on the deluxe sport roadsters. Coming around to the rear, see the turn signals also added on the rear of the car. Some very interesting center caps on this. This actually has LaSalle. The rest of them have Buick. I think there's one Stutz. Check those out in the still pictures. You'll see, like I said, car inside and out, top to bottom at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Kind of a cool luggage rack, if you will, on the side of this. That will all be included in the car, or with the car, I should say, and shipped with it. We have had the car out running and driving on our frontage road and around our shop. We're going to fire it up too, so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. I believe this car was in the Southwest its entire life, for sure since 1980. They know the car was located in Nevada and California, 1980 and after, before coming to us. You can believe it was down in that area its entire life. There you go. Check out the interior. Again, black vinyl, bench seat. That's the same as the rumble seat. You can see the turn signal indicators added here. Now, as far as starting this car, choke is still operates right here. We are going to leave it in. It'll start inside here without the choke. Pretty sure we're going to turn on the ignition, which is right here. Starter down on the floor. There we go. See how easy that starts. Take a look at that dash. How cool is that? Still some of the original components. Make sure we're in neutral. around to the back. Here, run. Again, inline 6-cylinder. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's open up one of the sides of the hood. We can check out this engine bay. Take a look at this engine running. Let's take a look at the passenger side. We'll take a peek at it. All right, hold on. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's open up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there you go. It said 247. Excuse me, 274 cubic inch. Inline 6. Very cool engine bay. There you go. Get a chance to see it run also. 1927 Buick Model 2754 Deluxe Sports Roadster. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.